Hello everyone, here is a question from chemical bonding. The species having bond angles of 120 degree is which one? If a molecule has to have a bond angle of 120 degree, then the shape has to be trigonal planar and the steric number has to be 3. Steric number is the sum of bond pairs and lone pairs. How many bond pairs will be there in BCl3? It will be 3 bond pairs. We will have lone pairs in this? No, we will not have lone pairs in this because the number of valence electrons in the case of boron is just 3, atomic number 5. So, we will have only 3 bond pairs and therefore, the steric number here is perfectly 3 and the hybridization will be sp2 and the molecule will be trigonal planar in shape and therefore, this will have 120 degree bond angles. In the case of phosphine, we will have 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. Therefore, the steric number is 4. Therefore, the hybridization is sp3 and the molecule will be pyramidal in shape. Therefore, we will not have 120 degree bond angles there. The bond angles in the case of phosphine among hydrogen, phosphorus, hydrogen would be 93.5 degrees. In the case of ClF3, we will have 3 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs. Therefore, the steric number here is 5 and the hybridization would be sp3d. Therefore, the molecule will be T-shaped. The bond angle among chlorine, fluorine, chlorine would be 87.5 degree. Because of additional lone pair of electrons, the repulsion will be more here. In the case of NCl3, the number of bond pairs will be 3 and the number of lone pairs will be 1. Therefore, here the steric number is 4 and the hybridization would be sp3. This will also be pyramidal in shape, trigonal pyramidal in shape. Here the bond angles will be 107.1 degree. Therefore, the correct answer is option 1.